Hey everyone, welcome back to Artsy Bella Studio. How are you doing? So today we are going to make this beautiful plaster of Paris DIY tea light holder. And before we make it, why don't you click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my video. Now, to make this DIY holder, you need plaster of Paris, corn flour powder, vinegar, white glue, salt, baking powder, and a glass to for measurements, a spoon. So first of all, I have taken half cup of corn flour powder on which I have poured 1 cup of plaster of Paris, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, and then in the same cup I will take half cup of white glue in which I will add some water to dilute it. You can see I have added some water. Now I am just diluting it, I am mixing it, and then I will pour the whole liquid into my dry ingredients. After putting everything together, I am going to give it a good mix. We need to mix it very well so that all the ingredients can mix with each other. I'm using my hand because I feel by my hand I would be able to feel the granules in between, and then I would be able to dissolve them. After a while, when it is completely dissolved, I will add 1 cup of plaster of Paris once again, and I will add this 1 cup of plaster of Paris slowly, and again I will follow the same process. I make sure that there are no powder left. I need to dissolve everything, no granules left. I need to dissolve them very quickly, and this process needs to be very quick because plaster of Paris gets dry very soon, so it is important that you do this process really quickly. Here I am adding my third glass of plaster of Paris. Again I am going to follow the same process. In all, we are making a clay, but normally a clay is very flexible and it is very soft, but this is not going to be soft. In fact, this is going to be hard. Now my fourth glass of plaster of Paris is going inside it. But first of all, I have poured half of it and I will see if it is hard enough. I would not add the rest of the powder, and only if it is required that I need to add more powder, then I will add more POP powder into it. Since my clay is thick enough, it is hard enough, I'm not using any more powder. You can see it is very hard. We cannot use it as it is while molding it. While using it, we need to use water once again. But for storing, you can store it as it is in a zip pouch. So take a zip pouch, put your clay inside it, and after closing your zip pouch, you need to put your zip pouch into a airtight container, and then you can freeze it into your freezer for up to like 2 months, but not more than that. I have kept this piece of the clay with me because I need to make the tea light holder. As you can see, I have poured some water into it to make it a little flexible. You do not have to put too much water, otherwise it will be really mushy. Just a little water would work. Now I'm taking a plastic glass, and I have put a thin plastic polythene on it, and I am wrapping it. I am sealing it with the help of a paper tape. You can use any cello tape also, like this. And after creating this mold, you need to use your clay which you have just prepared by adding a little water into it. So why we are using plastic is because when this clay will be completely dry, then it will be very easy for you to take out your glass, and the polythene comes out very easily. Like this, I have put this clay on the glass, and now I am just fixing the edges and making sure that every part of it is even. Even you can make it a little up or little down, it will look nice too, but I am making even edges, so that is why I am just putting a little water on it and making sure that it does not have any uneven part. Now I have this clay tool by which I'm making holes into it. If you do not have it, there are no worries. You can take anything like a pencil also to make these holes, and with the help of a knife you can remove the excess clay from it, like this. So I have made some random holes into my tea light holder. After making the holes, I kept it for drying for 24 hours, and after 24 hours it is dry, you can see. Now I'm painting it with the white acrylic paint. You can also use white acrylic paint because it looks better with white, or if you do not want to paint it, you can keep it as it is also, because the tea light itself looks very bright. So this is how my tea light holder looks like. I have not painted it inside, just the outside part. Now I will take a tea light, I will light it and put it inside, and will show you how does it look when the lights are turned on, and I will show you how it will look when the lights are turned off also. Isn't it beautiful? Right? So you can use it on your Diwali, or you can simply keep it in your living area or in your staircase. It will look really beautiful. So guys, if you like this video and you also try this, then do mention it in our comments and like and share to our video. And also, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Diwali. Have a great day. Bye bye.